bag itself, what should you include in it? Excuse me.
It really depends. I would say probably not a sandwich with mayonnaise, but
What about the whole bottle of wine?
I'm into that. I would say at a minimum, something sweet, something salty, something to hydrate, and then the bag itself. I like it when you include some kind of card, either like a thank you, welcome, schedule of events, something to kind of welcome people and thank them. I think that's super nice. I love it when people customize it a little bit more from there. Obviously, it can get very expensive, so it just depends on budget and what's left. But you can do like your favorite treats or maybe something from your local market. I know in Charlotte we have like Lance crackers and cheerwine and like fun things like that we can do. But that's a general idea of what to include.
All right. How much should I budget for it outside of if the hotel charges you?
So outside of the delivery fee, I would say starting at $5 bag and going upwards. I would say, things can get very expensive. But I would say on average, $5 to $25 bag.
And the first thing that comes to mind is like a big box store like a Costco or Sam's or something. Is that where you send most of your couples? Because if you buy in bulk, you can get that cost per item down.
Yeah. Amazon.
Yeah.
And then it just depends how luxurious you want to get with what's included in the bag.
Okay.
Yeah. But some crackers, some candy, a water bottle, that's like a super nice bag. So you don't have to go crazy with it.
Okay. I mean, really, that is such a nice touch. And you really, I mean, all joking aside, like I think that's such a nice touch. And just even having a bottle of water when you go into your hotel room and it costs $5 for a bottle of water, that's nice, especially after a wedding.
It's huge.
Yeah.
And like most people who are staying at the hotel have traveled all day before the wedding. Then they're there, during the wedding. And so having a couple bottles of water and some crackers or something. Advil is a great thing to throw in after a wedding if you are going to have some drinkers. So yeah, just a little something fun. It's a nice way to welcome your guests and truly treat them to a weekend and an experience.
Sure. When should you start making the bags? It sounds like that would be time consuming. Is it time consuming?
It can be. Maybe like 3 to 4 weeks before the wedding day and then finalize everything the week of.
Okay. That makes sense.
Usually your cutoff for your hotel block is 30 days before. So you should have a pretty final list at that point.
Oh, that's a good point.
So you can go ahead.
So you would know.
You can go
Okay.
ahead and start. Sometimes, even if you have a general estimate, you're going to have about 25 rooms. Maybe you make 30 bags and have a few extra bags. But you can go ahead and at least get started ordering and getting everything in and separating it out and little assembly line of putting them together.
Yeah. So